Drone racing is a high-speed competitive sport where pilots control drones through challenging courses, often filled with obstacles, at incredible speeds. Here's how it works. Racing drones are lightweight, fast, and built for agility. They are typically equipped with powerful motors and high-speed propellers, allowing them to reach speeds of over 80 miles per hour. Unlike commercial drones, racing drones prioritize speed and maneuverability over features like cameras or long flight times. Drone racing is done using a first-person view system. Each drone has a small camera mounted at the front, streaming live footage to the pilot's goggles. The pilot sees exactly what the drone sees, giving them the feeling of flying from inside the drone. This immersive experience helps pilots navigate tight turns and obstacles at high speeds. Drone race courses are usually set up with various obstacles like gates, tunnels, and flags. The goal is to fly through these checkpoints as quickly as possible. Courses are designed to test the pilot's skill, with sharp turns, vertical dives, and even sections where the drone must roll or flip to proceed. Some races are held indoors, while others take place outdoors in open fields or urban settings. Pilots use handheld radio controllers to fly their drones. These controllers have joysticks for precise control over the drone's movements, allowing the pilot to adjust speed, altitude, and direction. The challenge lies in reacting quickly while maintaining control, especially when flying through narrow spaces or around sharp corners. Drone races are typically timed events. Pilots race against the clock, aiming to complete laps in the fastest time. Some races feature multiple pilots flying simultaneously, competing head-to-head. Each race usually consists of several laps, and the winner is determined by either the fastest lap time or the first to complete the course. Drone races have safety measures in place for both pilots and spectators. The drones are fast and can be dangerous if they crash into people or objects. Pilots and technicians also follow strict rules to ensure their drones meet safety standards before the race begins. In drone racing, technology is crucial. Pilots use high-performance drones with advanced components. The FPV camera sends real-time video to the pilot's goggles, which can be disrupted by signal interference or low-quality equipment. Therefore, having reliable video transmission systems and responsive controls is key to a pilot's success. Drone racing requires excellent hand-eye coordination and quick reflexes. Pilots spend hours practicing to improve their control over the drone and develop muscle memory. Many pilots also practice using simulators that mimic real racing conditions, helping them prepare for live competitions without risking damage to their drones. Drone racing has grown into a professional sport with leagues and competitions worldwide. The Drone Racing League, DRL, is one of the most popular leagues, where professional pilots compete in televised events. In these competitions, pilots earn points based on their race performance, with the best pilots advancing to higher levels. In most races, the winner is the pilot who completes the course in the shortest time or crosses the finish line first in head-to-head races. The pilot with the most points at the end of all heats is declared the winner. Drone racing is a thrilling sport where pilots control high-speed drones through complex courses using first-person view technology. It combines skill, quick reflexes, and advanced drone technology, making it an exciting and growing competition format. Pilots compete in various race types, aiming for the fastest times or first-place finishes, all while navigating through obstacles at breakneck speeds. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.